Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Global trends. Alternative products. Just a few years ago, if you remember, coffee shops only made coffee with regular milk. But now you can choose to your taste. Coconut milk, nut milk, oat milk, almond, banana, rice, and even cashew milk. If vegan desserts used to be found only in cafes attached to yoga studios or something like that, now you can easily find them even in supermarkets. Right next to classic wheat flour, you'll find gluten-free, whole grain, almond, and flaxseed flour. Instead of butter, spreads made from avocado, seeds, and nuts. In place of sugar, syrups made from dates, agave, coconut, and sweet potato. These stand-ins for the products we've known since childhood are becoming more and more popular, and while they used to be of interest mainly to people with food allergy, now they appeal to the widest range of consumers. Many people are consciously switching to plant-based products and consider them the healthiest choice. Well, in part, they're right about that. Either way, variety is a good thing. But each alternative has its own unique flavor profile, which shapes our recipes and enriches our culinary culture. That's all for today. Stay with us. Subscribe to the channel, and everything will only get better from here. You'll see for yourselves.